What's up YouTube, Trainer Jason XXX here, and now we are ready to enter to the ship to see what we have to do here. This is the hacked version of SS AIM. We're facing this hiker with Donphan and Liga, which are down. A battle with the Grand, there are a lot of Grands here. He has Krogank and Skorupi, Slash and Heatwave. And they're down. No battles here. She always troubles with her Wigglytuff, okay. A double battle. Oh, no, a double battle. Yes, a double battle. Frillis and Skorupi. Heatwave and Crunch. Super effective and super effective. And another battle with this guy that has Houndour, Water Pulse, and Houndour is down. We have get rid of the Grunts, the annoying ladies. The move here is Brick Break. He is in trail for Team Rocket, and there are a lot of other villains on this place, okay. Okay. Let's have the battle here and save another child. This guy has two Jellicents. Skull doesn't Ghost Burn on this hacked ROM. It has replaced the move that doesn't Ghost Burn, and just like Stealth Rock spikes. Stealth Rock doesn't even affect flying types. Jellicent is down, and we can continue. Have the battle with this guy that has Houndour and Sarpedo, Water Pulse and Dragon Breath. Houndour is down. Safeguard, no. Slash and Dragon Breath. Sarpedo is down, and we can progress. This guy here doesn't battle. He is lagging Fire Red. He tells you about Snorlax, which I don't know where you can get in this game. He was in Light Platinum, the other hack. Now Tentacruel, which is down. Sarpedo, which isn't down because I miss. And Crocodile, Razor Leaf, and the next Razor Leaf takes Crocodile down. Okay, a battle with this Grand that has Houndour. I send out Marchand and go for the cross chop. I don't have no guard. No guard didn't even exist in Generation 3. I have guts, so cross chop may miss. We progress, no battles here. A battle with the Grand here. He has Arpedo and Golbat and Gotham. This is the only thing I didn't say. He has Arpedo and Golbat. They fuck with Machamp, they confuse him and they taunt him, although I didn't plan to use any non-attacking moves. I don't even have a non-attacking move. If I hit, they are both down. Yes, they are. And we can progress. The item is the next attack, which is useless, almost. A battle with this Grand here. He has Crocodile and Houndour. We both have Intimidate, Cross Chop, and Dig. Houndour misses Super Fang. I just break Crocodile sub. Houndour isn't down. Now he doesn't miss Super Fang, that does the half of your health. If your health is 2 HP, it goes to 1 HP. Health is 300 HP, it goes to 150, and it is not resisted. Still, for example, doesn't resist this move, only Ghost types that have 3 switch. Houndoom is down. Ghost is for me the best typing of the game, on the right Pokemon especially. Very good offensively, almost unresisted, and very good defensively. So let's continue, let's go up to help this guy and to defeat, what's his name, Kaio, to defeat Kaio. Kaio. He has Ferrothorn, I have Steelix, no, I don't think I can do anything to his Ferrothorn with Steelix. Cross Chop, which misses. Cross Chop which doesn't miss, but Ferrothorn is not down. But he won't heal either. So now it is down. Next one is Weevil. I can take a hit, go for the revenge. Weevil is Ice and Dark with a double weakness to revenge, and it is down. Next one is Reginiclus, that goes for the recover. Sleep Powder. Let's it, and slowly and painfully take it down, and yes, I can take a Size it. And if I can take a Size it, I can take a Thunder, which is resisted. I miss again, he goes for the Shadow Ball, scores a critical hit. I miss again. No, I miss again. Accuracy 75, not 30, anyway. Razor Leaf, he wakes up of course, lowers my special defense. I miss again. Fuck you. Wow! Anyway, let's skip this a little. No, that much. Ah, he sends out Zuelus. He's bored like me, I guess. So I go for the Sleep Powder of his face. Let's skip with Venusaur. Just don't heal, please. I don't use items. You shouldn't use items. Zuelus, whatever the fuck is the name, it's back, it's down. I will replace Body Slam with Sludge Bomb. Next one is Reginiclus. Now sleep, please, thank you. Reginiclus is sleeping. Let's see. Sleep Powder. I really want you to sleep, Reginiclus. I really want you to sleep. Now Reginiclus is finally down and I have full health. Next one is, and last one is Zorak, that goes for the nice slash. Sludge Bomb. Let's see. Sludge Bomb and Let's see will take Zorak down, I guess, and we have defeated this guy, so we will continue on the next video.